Come along as we explore this 10,000-acre beautiful park. We get to climb through a really marvelous treehouse, take a tour on the tram, and see elk, longhorn cows, and see a rare but stubborn white bison that won't move out of the road. This is definitely a must-see place when you're near Branson, Missouri. Hi everyone, we are Laurie and Rick. We travel part of the year in our Jayco Greyhawk motorhome. We enjoy discovering new places. There's more roads to travel on, so let's get started on this adventure. Dogwood Canyon is another park developed by Johnny Morris, founder of Bass Pro Shops. This park is a 10,000-acre wildlife preserve with longhorn cattle, elk, and bison. Visitors can ride the wildlife tram, ride horses on the trails, walk on the many walking trails, bike trails, and fly fish, as well as have ceremonies in the Wilderness Chapel. We first enter the building with a fully reclaimed gristmill, which once was the Bent Mountain Mill that was originally located in Franklin County, Virginia, and began operation in 1905. Isn't this beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's really pretty.
That millstone's pretty well used up.
Wow. Beautiful building. Look up. Did you look up?
Yeah.
Wow. Built it right into the rock. This structure here that we're walking through is a bridge over the Little Indian Creek, which connects the dining room and the general store. Here they have displays of artifacts found in the Ozark Mountains. The next area we entered was upstairs above the store, where they have educational programs. These programs focus on conservation, local ecology, and the significance of protecting the natural resources. The park collaborates with local environmental groups to provide a hands-on learning experiences.
symbol of pride and craftsmanship. He brings a lot of happiness to a lot of people, Dave.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's the one that designed this.
Here's a fun little spot. This is the roof deck. Come on out. Man,
Oh,
great.
roof deck.
Isn't this neat? Especially today. What beautiful weather. Isn't it? Beautiful spot here at the waterfall. This treehouse to me is like a symbol of pride.
Let's go upstairs.
Squirrel mount.
A squirrel mount. Oh, there's a raccoon. Treehouse built this. Ooh, that's a squeaky step. Man, this is gorgeous.
So happy holidays, everybody. By building this space for any and everyone to share, Dogwood Canyon is gifting its visitors with a treehouse that will not only educate all those who enter, but allow families to gather together and create memories with the ones they love. Thank you from
Having lunch by the waterfall.
See why we call it Piranha Pool?
Lots of fish.
Now these are all rainbows. Our creek bed is not really conducive for breeding, so we stock and we only stock the rainbows. So.
That's cool.
The wildlife tram tours are open-air trams that explore the beauty of Dogwood Canyon. This adventure includes a 2-hour narrated tour of the park as you pass through the bluffs and waterfalls and other scenic views. Plus, you'll also cross the Arkansas border and enter the Bison Elk Country pasture area.
Pasture area up here. But here is some of our bull elk. But I didn't notice, for some reason they closed the gate, which they can't get over with the other elk at the moment, so I'm not sure what's going on there. These guys are hanging out over here. Now, the bull elk tend to hang together as a bachelor group, which if they weren't being blocked off, they'd be over there. I'll go ahead and stop here and talk about them, and if they end up getting closer as we go around, we can stop again, but that's the only trouble with 60 acres. Sometimes we can't always get them where we want them to be, right on the road. So, but that is our females. They hang together in a harem group. Now we're right in the middle of birthing season. Our bison have had, I think, 8 babies now. Please do not try to reach out and touch them as they go by. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with Takota here. Sorry, Takota, but I got to get through. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. I need to go through.
He's stomping his feet.
Is it?
Oh, it's on the sidewalk. It's interesting to watch him hurt him the other side. Look at this one. He looks like he's something outside. He gets behind him and I start slowing down.
I know it's your pasture, Dakota, but I still got to get through. Because we're very superstitious about them. So, but at least you got to see Takota up close. Now, Takota is our dominant male. Last few years, we've had a different dominant. His name was Ninja, and he had a real full dark mane, pretty bison, and the guy running our herd kind of liked having him as our dominant. However, I mentioned that we got Takota. We got him from Lampe Missouri. He was born in 2019, and he came from outside the herd. He's been growing like crazy, and he finally outgrew Ninja. They've been competing for the last few years, and Ninja kept winning. But for some reason, the gentleman running our herd decided to go ahead and pull Ninja this year. And so he's letting Takota be our dominant bison. And just because he's white doesn't mean we're going to get one, because it's still a 1 in 10 million. But maybe next spring we might see a white bison pop out. We'll have to see. Everything that we got now would be from Ninja from last year. So, and again, their birthing season's the same right now around the June time period. And they will rut in the September-October time period. They have a 9.5 months gestation period. They'll wean at 8 months. Start getting a horn, another than a horn of 1 month. They'll lose that red color in about 4 months. And they're cute when they're running around. So, this canyon is so tight that it'd be tough for an eagle to swoop down, grab one, and still be able to get out. So that's why we keep them back here. Unfortunately, our otters that get in here sometimes have a feast. So at least we're protecting them from the eagles.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes,
Thanks for watching, and remember there's more roads to travel on. We'll see you on our next adventure.